Hello. Oh yeah, you alright? Hello mate. Hello. It's a good boy. Oh yeah. There you go, Dave. Deeper. And a bit deeper still. Okay, well I used to do the left hand, either middle or left, so that's probably the wrong one, so I'll try the right one, middle to right this time. Right, well done. I can see this branch here. It's always ready with a right hand turn. FE for Whoa! Come back! Yeah, he's kind of like he went on the S-bend and stuff on. You alright there, Vince?
Yeah, I was just saw all the camping signs, you know, this field and that field. I was just trying to figure out where we were or what it was for.
I've no idea where we are. I never know where we are. I want to come here one day and I don't know how to get here.
Well, we're here.
I know. My indicator's drooping, I notice.
It is, but it was from the start, so I won't worry about
Oh,
it.
was it? Oh, I
Yeah.
must have done it on the way then. Yeah, I might. I've got
But
some plastic of
but to make up for the drooping one, you keep the right hand one on all the time
Oh, that's
apparently.
good.
So
That's good.
I did two once, but
Well, we're
then,
going right.
It's kamikaze squirrels.
yeah.
They either run straight across in front of you, or they run and then run along in the lane in front of you. don't
sorry.
they?
That's telling you something. You're going pretty slow, aren't you? When yeah. So as long as it's legal. I just hate the arguments with people who don't want you to be there. Right. You want to get on it?
No, because I'm half in and half out.
Well, you have to ride it in there, I guess.
Is it right?
Yeah.
Okay, got it.
Yeah.
Thanks, Liz.
You all right?
No, I banged my knee, but I think it's
Yeah, just nice and gentle forward. It's in, yeah. Right. Loads of reds.
On those tyres. What tyres are they? What tyres are they?
They're just, they're Trackers 120s.
You seem to have picked up a lot of stuff.
That's right. As soon as they spin round, it'll all come up in your face anyway. They're cleaner. That was really loud in my ear. Hello.
Right, we'll play it by ear for the next couple of days and head back, yeah? So we're going to head back on and go do the lanes that we've just come up on. We'll do them in reverse and with slight
Okay.
variations. Is that all right? Otherwise, if we go that way, we're going to get lost.
Yeah.
Even more than we are now.
Even more lost, yeah.
Road. We're not going to do that one that's all rutty. Don't know how much you love it. I mean, everywhere seems to be ruts today.
I know.
Are you trying to find the lane with Jill's sort of imprint? Like mud angel.
Oh, we've already found that.
Yeah, we've been here.
Jill was here.
It'll be an outline.
Someone put some white tape round.
It'd be just a big arse cheek.
Hey.
Hey.
I didn't say big arse, did I? Sorry. I mean arse cheek. Okay, you're in. Oh dear.
I enjoyed that.
Yeah, it was kind of like fun without being too horrible.
Yeah. No, I was just saying to Vince, because he was following you, thinking the same thing as I was following him. All the water coming off the back wheel in that washed out little bit, in all the sun, looked fantastic.
Thank you. Yeah. Jill said thank you for waiting for her on some of the forks in the
Fine. It's just what you do on the road as well, isn't it? I just didn't want us to be up the end of the track and they're having off.
You didn't want to be having to go back for her.
That's true. Not going to U-turn.
What do you want to do? It's 3:10. Do you want to go back down to the place where we stopped, the farm thing, and then go through that lane again, back down towards Walnut Stone, or do you just want to stay on the road?
By the farm. Which farm's that?
You know, the one we stopped.
Oh, Church Farm.
Yeah.
Yes. Should we go that way?
Yeah. Okay. So we'll go down this way.
We're going the right direction. So
yeah, that's right. I was thinking, because obviously Rob hasn't been on many, so.
So.
Oh, thank you.
That's right. Good.
Car coming.
Yeah, just ticked on. Oh.
Yeah, anything for a picture.
That's right.
The sloppy lane where you toppled off your bike.
Where I said Gavin's a wanker.
Yeah, that one.
Down with that one.
Yeah, we call it Wanker's Lane. Yeah, that's
I used
right.
to go out with a girl called Sloppy Lane.
We know what they say, if you fall off horse, you've got to get straight back on, so go and do that lane and conquer it.
You're going to say that when you're my age. Done it.
Lovely.
Yeah.